Here's how to check if your phone is dual SIM or single SIM. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone, and then afterwards what you need to do is go ahead and go to the cellular options. Under the cellular options, when you see there are two SIM cards, it means of course it is a dual SIM. Now, as you can see, you can add an eSIM to your phone. If you can add an eSIM to your phone, it's still considered as a dual SIM because sometimes, especially on iPhones, two physical SIM cards cannot be put inside the iPhone device, but you can add an eSIM. So if you can add an eSIM to your phone, that still means that you are a dual SIM. But if you can only put one physical SIM card, that means that your device or your phone is actually just a singular SIM. And that is how you check if your phone is a dual SIM or a singular SIM.